Hi, this is Taro Iwamoto. I'm a Feldenkrais practitioner and a movement coach. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Turkish Get-up. And this is the third video and the step 3. So there are a total of the 4 steps. And if you haven't watched the first my previous videos in step 1 and step 2, and please check them out. And because this is done in sequence, and start with the number 1 and step 1 and step 2, and you master those 2 steps, and then watch this video, please. Okay, so the step 3, and so the last, just to quickly go over the step 1, lifting the hip, lifting the shoulder, rolling over to the left side. That's the step 1. And step 2, from here, coming up onto the left elbow and coming up onto the left hand. Okay, and the step 3 is from here, you're going to do the lift your hip, and bringing my left foot underneath here, so my left knee is underneath the hip, and then coming up into the half kneeling position. So this is the step 3. Okay, let's start over here. Alright, so this is the end of the step 2. Let me turn this way. Okay, here. Alright, so pressing the left hand into the ground to engage the left shoulder girdle muscles to support the left shoulder, and then keeping your right arm overhead. Alright, so from here, you're going to use your right leg, your left arm, to lift your left hip away from the ground. Here, like so. Okay? And from here, and slowly, okay, so you really have to engage the left shoulder girdle, and then slide, bend your left knee, and then bring the knee underneath the hip, right over here. And if you can't see it here, I'm going to turn it, and my foot, instead of planting my foot this way, I'm going to tuck in the toes underneath so that I have a better stability. So that's what I'm doing with my toes right here. And so where you place your left knee, it is really important. If your knee is not underneath your knee, if your knee is not underneath your hip, and you're not really safe, and to transition from here to the kneeling position, it's a really, really awkward position. So to have a better stability, and bring this foot, knee underneath your hip. Okay, and then tucking your toes underneath. Okay, and then don't forget about this one. If your knee is inside here, then which means your foot is not planted. Right, so the knee is under, your knee is right over your ankle. Okay, so the foot is nice and securely planted here. And now my left knee is directly under my left hip. And then my right foot is planted nice and securely. And from here, I'm bringing myself up. Okay? And the way to do that is you're going to press this knee, my left knee, into the ground, and to initiate unhinging, okay? Initiated unhinging of the hip by using the left hip. And so this is the driver of the movement, left hip here. As opposed to using all your trunk muscles to initiate that movement, you're not quite as strong, okay? So what really, you have much more advantage by using your left leg, left hip, okay? Pushing through that left knee, driving that movement from the left leg. And reaching your right arm towards the ceiling. Coming up. Okay? Alright, so now once I'm over half kneeling position, I'm going to adjust my left foot so I'm in this position, half kneeling position. Right? And then from here, reversing that. So this is a step 3. Okay? Coming back, my toes tight. Okay? Here, reaching the hand down to the floor. Okay, and then now from here to reverse back to this position, you have to use the left shoulder and right leg to stabilize. There. Okay, and lower the hip down. While as you're lowering your hip down, don't let go here. Slowly control that. Here. And then elbow down, down, down. Okay, I'll do it again. Okay. One more time. Okay, so that's the step 3, the third step of the Turkish get-up. And there's one more step, and that's the next video. And so if you have any questions in the comments again, and please leave them in the comment section down below. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, and please like the video. All right, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.